Biya kamal guasame banangishan wale ke tugnat and share loisni kena kona banangi guasame guadame bayangi ke duo medera tugnat dere jamal ngaj ke pet duo modera andere nwerlangu dere jalan faster agenda na banangi guasame akan kona we nyam ke jangi jame mi changa nyam ko jigoro jano jin there no language school there is support there is subscribe ko mete ke listen mi bare gwad mi shamala shube ke jikapat agenda nan gorno de laria lam sharbalam jatu bu gwasamo ko be nyagane ko ken ko de kanejek ne bana jetok kamanyam number 1 ke kananyam mi shawe I am working manlode I am working ke am working luno and lada and me did gorno and lada and lada ludnodi I am working and lada. Number 2 ki number rode I am from Gambela la shall kanu am from Gambela kona me take apostrophe de larbano I am from Gambela lunodi and back Gambele and back Gambele. I am from Gambela and back Gambele. And we did a Latin Guatemala. I'm from Nuerzun and back Nuerzun. I am from Nasser and back Nasser. I am from Akubo and back Akubo. And on. Number 3, Cape Canada. My name is Gatluak. My name is Gatluak. Shoda galwak de larno shall shoda ngu de larbo gwadme ko kon yunije mitektek mi chajugo what is your name shall de larno shoda galwak. My name is Galwak shoda galwak de gordon should the galwak de gordon okay shall shoda galwak luno my name is Gatluak de gorbo gwadmo tada de goroja rawti ti de rande kaf krodekel shoda galwak kashke shal shoda galwak ro tender under ka gorono der ka ngaj ko jan do dan dong der ran der tok der ngai ke jam mi ayu no what's your name der larno de shoda galwak ke shal shoda galwak. My name is Galwak shal shoda galwak one p number 4 kwanan wandien I am 25 years old. I'm 25 years old lunode and takarunti jandang rawidit. I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. And takarun jandang rawidit. De larode I am 16 years old. And takarun wal bakal I am 6 years old. And takarun bakal enono. Jan lot kenan mi chay jugono tirundi de laro and takarun jandang rawidit. Da la lo janamona. Number 5 Kwan and Didian. I live in Juba. I live in Juba. Mlunodi and Shenga ka Juba. Neme Shenga. And Shenga ka Juba. I live in Juba. I live in Juba. And Shenga ka Juba. Dire lara nono. And Shenga ka Juba. Number 6 Ke Kwanan Bakalian. I am fine. I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine lunodi and guaha lara ye tesloa ki lara ji tesloa I am fine thank you lara ji tesloa neme kebero micha we thank you ludo chilore teske ye ki chilore teske ji no dere kabno no I'm fine thank you and guaha lara ji tesloa ki and guaha lara ye tesloa number 7 ki kwanan barodian yes I'm busy. On and real. Kajan nijame la yes banaje use kemishala hon ki de larbano ha. Gaje micho yes luno ha ki on. Yes I'm busy on and real ki ha and real bisho ngaji yong. Number 8 yes I am free. On and luar. Busy guad mulunariela, la mutilan la de laro on and lada, kia on and real. Yes, I am free. On and luar. And luar, the same thing. Number 9, Kwan and Bangwandian. I like reading. I like reading. Mulura Janan Guasme and Nwaka Queen. Han Nwaka Queen. I like reading. Nwaka Queen. Han Nwaka Queen. Number 10. Yes, a little. Yes, a little. On Kia. A method. Yes, a little. A method. Kia Kamitot. And on. Yes, a little. Kamitot. They lark agent work down the lar Guatame. Number 11. I am eating rice. I am eating rice. Ki am eating rice. Lunode and shamarut. And shamarut. I am eating rice. Then it is no kunmusham de and shamarut. I'm eating rice. Dere lare no drop down and dere translate. Number 12. Mulunni Kwanan Werodian. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. Mulunode and Masapu. I'm drinking water. And Masapu de la and Masa Pew dire gorn and Masa Pew. Kitangu ni la rode and Masa Kepew dire gorn no. And Masa Kepew kian Masa Pew per ken kabab dande nang nija. Okay? Be nang no. Number 13. I'm going to school. I am going to school. I'm going to school. Munode and Wadul Gora. And Wadul Gora simple. And Wadul Gora. I'm going to school. I am going to school. And Wadul Gora. Number 14. I went to the market. Kwan and Welmwandian. I went to the market. I went to the market and Shawa Kasuk. And Shawa Kasuk. I went to the market. When Guadamelur pass. Then a past tense of go. Go a present Muraikantem when a Mishidot joke. Michawa I went to the market. Ki I went to school and one and Shawe Dulgor and Shawe Kasuk and Shawa Kasuk. I went to the market and Shawa Kasuk. Number 15. I eat noodles. I eat noodles. Melurejane ki noodle and chamit ke pasa. Pasa. And chamis ke pasta. I eat noodle. They learn on. Number 16. Yes, I'm tired. Yes, I'm tired. Yes, check on you gonna bana janang muchala on ki ha. On and chachuch. Yes, I am tired. On and chachuch. On and chachuch. Number 17. Yes, a little. On a method. Ki on kamitot. Yes, a little. Okay, chikon jaganin. On kamitot. Yes, a little. Yes, I'm very happy. Number 18. Yes, I am very happy. Kwana walbadegden. On and teloid along. On and teloid along. Kia and teloid along. Yes, I'm very happy. 19. It is sunny. It is sunny. Shalaf and chang. Ki shalaf along. It is sunny. La mi chipin shalaf mi chang shalaf. Shalaf along. It is sunny. Number 20. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. On kia and nachija. And naija ki and wakaja de laron and wakaja. Yes, I do. And wakaja. Chirumintama ndonga ne dangro kuna kacha juguno no ko jen nyam de ro and wakaja. Jen yes, I do. On and nachija ki and chana je ger gwada bukon ger ka and nwakaja chan laron and nwakaja. Yes, I do. On and nwakaja cause gor kono be chuploy dan ka domo gwa. Number 21. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. On katok. Namene tok. On katok. Mucha yes, of course. On katok. On no. Ke guaya. Yes, of course. Ang guaya. De nangano. Yes, of course. Luno michi dwarshinok. Number 22. Yes, I understand. On and chuploid. On and chuploid. Lunodi. Yes, I understand. On the chubloid. Number 23. Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Lunodi on teleriak. and telerek sure telerek sure lu no mish do shinok sure ke on telerek no problem telerek. Number 24 yes I can on ende jalwang yes I can jendo do mone yes I can lu no di on ende jalwang. Number 25 shalarone I want fried rice munode en gore rus michakel yes I want fried rice en gore rut michakel wana pingwasame. Number 26 it is 10 o'clock munode tawel it is 10 o'clock tawel tiakono. Number 27 jene mulude okay ban jelar no nena my favorite food is rice mulunode med naka erus kwen naka erus your favorite food is rice kwen nogi erus my favorite food is rice med naka erus. Number 28 yes I like tea on and naka ni shy ki on and naka shy yes I like tea on and naka shy Number 29 I am going home ki I'm going home mulunode and watching I'm going home and watching. Number 30 ki jendobien my best friend is my classmate Mazda min gwanajan aramantine dul gora kam lunodi my best friend is my classmate diri lare nono Mazda manaka aramantine kel gwasmete konke I wake up early and exercise and la jia charo kurunwang kaba lat pola point lat and la jia charo kurunwang kaba lat pola point lat I wake up early and exercise and la jia charo kurunwang kaba lat pola point lat. Number 32 yes I have a phone on and take jat gwadme bala jat on and take jat yes I have a phone. 33 to konke yes I am at home on and tadora ki on and tachang. Today is Monday en wale ejilat today is Monday en wale ejilat. Wana pingwasame kamanjok yes I like learning English on and nakawu be English ngach yes I like learning English. Nijiram jidid gwa same goro bi subscribe Kanwa Language School ko bingin titib kan chamala shukji bani nyoje kan idadian biata kamal bye bye.